With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, today our question is find first derivation of y with respect to x of the following function. First function is y is equals to x square sin x. Second function is y is equals to 4 e power x cos x. So the solution of this question is, firstly we solve the first part here, that is y is equals to x square sin x. So if we differentiate this with respect to x and we have to find the first derivation, so this will equals to x square and sine will convert it into cos x plus 2x and sine will remain same, and this will equals to x square cos x plus 2x sin x. So this is the first derivation of this function. Now we solve the second part here. We have the y is equals to 4 e power x into cos x. So differentiation of this with respect to x is equals to 4 is constant. So we can write this as 4 and this is e power x and this is cos x, as e power x will remain same if we differentiate this with respect to x, and in this e power x and cos derivative is minus sin x. So from this we can write here differentiation, that is dy by dx is 4 and this is e power x and this is cos x minus sin x. So this is the answer for the question. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.